Should hold. Should hold. I love that word, should. How confident is that? So we're back at this one where we was doing the designer rads. We've had it all plastered, painted. Yeah, so we've got the rad to fit today. We left them in as well, drain it down. We're going to get it all drained down, get the measurements of the rad, get that put in today. Should hold. Should hold. I love that word, should. How confident is that? Let's get to it. So I've managed to get it in. That is. So, then put it in place, find the centre of the wall, centre of the rad, which mark where we're going to put the brackets. Now I did take the measurements for where our wood is, but see them screws? Then go straight into the wood, so I know exactly where they are. Centre of the wood that we put in, just put a line across, just there, got the bracket on, and we're just going to screw it in, that one's on, hang off that. So that'll be fine. Once we've got these two on, we'll hang the radiator, then we can mark the bottom out. Left all my batteries at home from my DeWalt. I've got no drill. Have to use a screwdriver. Old school. Before I screw it in, I'm just going to chap the screwdriver in, so it's got like a pilot hole for me to screw into, because obviously impacting it straight through, it's going to be a little bit tougher.
As we head through the overnight period, the night no showers will clear. It will be a fresh night. Temperatures again just about in single figures. As we start the day tomorrow, it will be a dry.
Get the spoon level. Pop it across the top. Make sure it's level. There you go, the brackets on. I'm just going to get these marks off the wall when I'm putting pencil. The top one's done. So what we do now, hang the rad to the bottom. Right, so we just hung it. It's on. What we did was, the bottom, to show you, just put bracket on the bottom and just mark it. What we did now is lift the radiator back off and do the bottom ones. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get this bottom one done. So them are the marks that we put on there. Just going to pull them on, then line them up. So that one's on. It's got this side to do now. I'm going to put this side in. Make a little hole from the screw. I'll do it. Then we can level across there as well. Let's get these in. Okay. So it's got to come away. Yeah, I can see it slipped on the bracket there. Oh. That's level. Let's get the radiator back on. Only got to lift it on there. Big rad. I mean, 1.8 metres. Let's give it. Here we go. There we go. Sorted. That is all on. Just got to connect up the pipework now. So we're just going to do the radiator out. For that, use that rapid blue stuff. Been using this a while now. It says put it on the first and the third thread, but I'll just put it all over. I'll just put it all over. I'll do. Plenty on there. Screw it in. Spanner. That's what I was looking for. Couldn't find my spanner. It's my old spanner. Just give it a time. Most of the time I just put these in by hand, to be fair. There we go. That'll go rock solid in about 5 minutes or so. So yeah, you just wipe off the excess. We need some blue roll and wipe. Yeah, I've got my dust sheet. Just wipe off the excess and yeah, that is done. Just do the same the other side. Just got a bit of pipe off the van. To be fair, that was straight off the van. It fitted perfect. And I've just put it in and marked where I need to cut. Just there. I'll put an elbow in then, and that'll be all connected up. Okay, best view I could give you on how we'll do these. So let's get to it. Bit of pipe. Get that pipe straight. It's quite handy having that camera now because it went straight. Get that straight, get that straight. Just mark it on the valve where it's going to go into the valve. So just cut that. And what we can do then is put that inside the valve onto there. Make sure that's straight up. Yeah. Come on, pipe. I think I have to take a bit off that because it's going down at a bit of an angle. Mark the pipe there. Cut that off. So, should have an elbow in my pocket. There we go. No, it's a bit of pipe. So where's everything in your pocket, Tyler? Okay, pipe, put that on. Now onto there. Obviously we've got to clean the pipe before we solder that. There we're looking. Straight. That's straight. There we go. Clean all that up. Get it soldered. That's it. That's it all in. Just got to get to the boiler now, top it all up, get something in between the system. Nice job done. Give me an idea how tall this thing is. Yeah, massive. Yeah, bleed that, bleed all the upstairs. Have a toilet. It's going to take forever to fill this now. So we have got one thing we do use, and to be honest, yeah, it's a bit controversial. I've got abuse for using it before, off trolls online, to be fair. Where is it? It is brass off. Now, I know a lot of people think you're being pompous when, or whatever, when you're using that stuff, but it's the last thing the customer sees is the pipe work and the radiator that you've put in. Or sometimes when you know, when you're doing a boiler install, the last thing you see is the pipe work all underneath the boiler. And if it goes green and horrible, it looks crap. They're going to feel like they've got a good service, haven't they? But if it's glistening, shining, it's all neat, it looks tidy, which leaves a lasting impression. So yeah, take me 2 minutes just to polish them pipes up and it'll look mint. That's it all done. So the finish you get with the brass out, I mean, okay, shiny that is. Nice bit of soldering there, but I do say so myself, no dribbles. Just makes the pipe look really nice. Just have a tidy up, yeah. That looks really smart, that does. So if I get an angle from here, there you go. It's massive. I couldn't hear it in the camera. Why is it done? It's got a bit more air to get out in here. Job's a good one.